The Zenvora Smart Health Ring has completely elevated the way I monitor and understand my health, offering a perfect balance between advanced technology, comfort, and modern style. From the first day of wearing it, I was impressed by how lightweight and discreet the ring feels, making it easy to wear all day and night without any discomfort, something that's hard to find in bulky smartwatches or fitness bands. Despite its minimal size, the ring delivers an impressive range of health tracking features, including continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level tracking, sleep analysis, and daily activity insights, all of which work seamlessly in the background without interrupting my routine. The sleep tracking in particular has been incredibly insightful, providing detailed breakdowns of deep sleep, light sleep, and overall sleep quality, helping me make small but meaningful lifestyle adjustments that have noticeably improved my rest and energy levels. What truly sets the Zenvora Smart Health Ring apart is how accurate and consistent the data feels. Whether I'm going about a busy workday, exercising, or simply relaxing, the ring reliably tracks steps, calories burned, and movement patterns with impressive precision. The companion app presents this information in a clean, easy-to-understand format, allowing me to track trends over time rather than just daily numbers, which makes it far more useful for long-term wellness goals. I appreciate how intuitive the app is. Syncing is fast, navigation is smooth, and all key metrics are clearly displayed without overwhelming charts or unnecessary clutter. The battery life is another major highlight. Unlike other wearable devices that require constant charging, the Zenvora Smart Health Ring lasts multiple days on a single charge, making it incredibly convenient for travel and everyday use. The durable construction and water-resistant design give me confidence wearing it while washing my hands, working out, or even during light water exposure, without worrying about damage or performance issues. The ring maintains its premium look even with daily wear, resisting scratches and retaining its polished finish, which speaks volumes about the quality of materials used. Beyond health tracking, the ring includes smart lifestyle features that enhance daily convenience, such as gesture-based controls and subtle smart interactions that feel futuristic yet practical. These thoughtful additions make the ring feel like more than just a fitness tracker. It feels like a true personal wellness companion. I also love how stylish it looks. It blends effortlessly with both casual and professional outfits, and people often mistake it for a regular fashion ring rather than a high-tech health device. Overall, the Zenvora Smart Health Ring delivers exceptional value by combining powerful health insights, elegant design, comfort, and reliability into one compact wearable. It's ideal for anyone who wants to stay informed about their health without the distraction of screens or the bulk of traditional devices. Whether you're focused on improving sleep, tracking daily activity, or simply embracing smarter wellness habits, this ring offers a seamless, refined experience that genuinely enhances everyday life.